Hello everyone, and welcome to Cookinglandia. Today we are going to prepare some delicious brownies, that irresistible dessert that combines the best of chocolate in every bite. And remember, if you are interested in our content, please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot. Rich, fudgy, and irresistible brownies are one of the most beloved desserts in the world. But have you ever wondered where this chocolatey delight actually comes from? The story takes us back to the late 1800s in Chicago, where a socialite requested a portable dessert, something elegant, yet easy to eat. That request led to the creation of the very first brownie at the iconic Palmer House Hotel, crafted with chocolate, butter, sugar, eggs, and topped with walnuts and apricot glaze. Another popular legend says brownies were born by accident when a baker forgot to add baking powder, creating a dense, fudgy texture instead of a cake. By the early 20th century, brownie recipes began appearing in American cookbooks, quickly spreading across homes and becoming a timeless classic. Today, brownies come in countless variations, from cakey to ultra fudgy, but they all share that same rich chocolate soul. And now, it's your turn to bring this delicious piece of history to life. Let's get started. These are the ingredients you need. Don't worry about writing them down. We'll leave them in the description of this video. 200 grams or 7 ounces of dark chocolate, 150 grams or 5.5 ounces of butter, 250 grams or 9 ounces of sugar, 3 eggs, 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of flour, 30 grams or 1 ounce of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and a pinch of salt. We start by melting the chocolate and butter together until they are completely integrated. Then, we add the sugar and mix well. Add the eggs one by one, followed by the vanilla. We sift the flour, cocoa powder, and salt, and gently integrate them into the chocolate mixture. Pour the mixture into a greased mold and bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the surface is firm and the interior is slightly moist. And here you have them, some perfect brownies with a crunchy texture on the outside and a soft and chocolatey interior. Ideal for any time. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our delicious recipes. Until next time in Cookinglandia. And for more detailed articles and recipes, visit our website at cookinglandia.com.